Hi everyone, my name is Devi. I am a research associate here at Healthy Longevity Translational Research Program, especially under the biotech Asia Center for Reproductive Longevity and Equality. So I've been here for 2 years and my background is in clinical embryology and reproductive science. And my research currently investigates the role of aging towards uterine and oocyte development so that we can know how to preserve fertility longer and of course improve fertility outcomes.
What does a typical workday look like for you?
Yes, so every day is different for me. I usually start off by planning my experiment, and I did a lot of cell culture and other in vitro experiments such as in vitro maturation for oocytes, semen analysis, and a lot of other cell culture works. And apart from that, I also did immunofluorescence and histology, where I counted follicles to see if there are differences in the follicle number. And I did Western blot to see protein expression, qPCR to see gene expression, and a lot of other things.
Okay, thank you. What's your research about?
My research investigates the role of aging in uterus and also oocyte. So we know as we age, our uteri and also our oocyte aging as well. So my focus of interest is to see whether aging impairs uterus and how does impact uterus and how to preserve fertility longer for patients undergoing fertility treatment.
Can you explain your research in a creative way?
Sure. We can imagine that the female reproductive system is a garden. So imagine in the garden you have the soil, which is the endometrium, and of course the seed as the embryo. As we grow older, the soil or the endometrium, they became less fertile, they become less nurturing, and of course the seed or the embryo that is implanted in the uterus becomes, it just won't grow anymore. So the main question that I would like to answer is why does aging affect the soil or the endometrium, and whether aging also impacts the seed or the embryo that is growing inside of the human body. So by looking into all these aspects, we can learn more about fertility as or overall, and whether we can preserve fertility longer, and of course how to improve women's health in general. As you know, if a woman undergoing menopause, their overall health also changes according to the hormones. So by preserving the fertility longer, we hope to learn more about how it affects women's health in general, and of course how to preserve health in general in women.
Great. And how has the Healthy Longevity program shaped your perspective?
Sure. So by joining a Healthy Longevity program, I learned that aging, female reproductive system, and our health in general, they kind of like interconnected to each other. And of course, one way or another, it will affect one another. And of course, by looking more into fertility, we hope that we can alleviate or reduce the effect of aging in general, because ovary is one of the organs that affect fertility and of course affect health in general. So when we are undergoing menopause, the ovary and our endometrium will be the first organs that undergoing aging. And with these first organs undergoing aging, they will affect other organs as well. So we are trying to alleviate all those, and of course to preserve fertility and health so that people can be more healthy and increase their health span better.
Okay. You seem to be spending lots of time in the lab. Outside of work, what are your hobbies?
Sure. Apart from lab work, I like to create lab reels about scientific and laboratory experience. So my reels and my Instagram, they are about sharing lab experience, sharing techniques, sharing lab hacks, and what I learned so far as becoming a research associate in 1 year. So overall, I want it to be a safe space for us to learn more together, and of course to share experience so that we can learn from each other. And apart from sharing reels on Instagram, I also love to do community service and volunteering. I am currently volunteering with Fertility Support HG, which is a support group to help people undergoing infertility treatments, and of course to share experience and to be a support for one another. So if you're interested to learn more about my Instagram page, you can follow me here. And if you are interested to learn more about Fertility Support SG, you can follow them here as well.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.